20 miles.
20 miles, setting off at 2 p.m.
Ooh. Hi, Ken. We're floating.
We're floating the mighty Buffalo River today.
That's right. On a Monday. I'm gonna take a video. Hope I don't embarrass myself. So what kind of food did you bring for this trip?
Mostly beans. If you take the labels off, it makes it mysterious. And you're like, I don't know what I'm getting. But it's usually beans.
And here is camp. My tent here, and in the distance you see Ken's hammock set up. We found the perfect place. All right, here we are, day 2. How are we feeling? Fantastic. We're almost there. Yeah, I made it. Hi, buddy.
Howdy, partner.
So we're about, I would say, 2/3 to 3/4 of the way done.
Don't remind me.
No, no. Ah. Jerk. Yay!